In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping rates on your WooCommerce webshop. So the first thing you want to do, you want to log into your WordPress account and then go to the dashboard. I'm at the dashboard right now, and then you want to go to WooCommerce over here. You want to go to the settings tab down here and click on the settings tab, and this will redirect you to the general settings of your store. So you want to change your shipping rates, so then go to shipping, the shipping tab over here, click once, and now you can set up your shipping rates. So add shipping zone by hitting this button over here that says add shipping zone. Click once, and you can give your zone a name. So I'm going to do United Kingdom for the United Kingdom. The region, just United Kingdom, because I've enabled United Kingdom on my website. So then you can save the changes, and now it's saving, and you can add a shipping method. So hit add shipping method, and if you want a flat rate, for example, for every product, €5 of shipping rate, you can use this one. If you want free shipping, you can use free shipping. And if you want a local pickup, you can just hit local pickup. So if I want a flat rate, hit add shipping method. And now it's going to add it. And if you want to, you can edit it. So hit edit. And now you can use the tax status as taxable or none. I'm going to do none. And you can also change the title. I'm going to do shipping rates, costs. I charge about just 6 euros. Then hit save changes, and now what this will do, when a customer wants to buy a product on your website, he or she has to pay 6 euros of shipping rates. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.